Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a bright sunflower look. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and Sheila and I were both up. Sheila is the name of my practice hand and we were both up. I couldn't sleep, so I'm like, Sheila, let me do your nails. And it was a huge stress reliever, so that's what I'm doing here. I did want to address the topic of gaining clients and keeping your clients. I can't speak for anyone else, but I do know that I was losing clients because I did not offer pedicure services, and these were clients that were coming to me faithfully every 2 weeks. I guess it was just like a huge inconvenience for my clients to come to me and get their nails done and then have to go to another salon and get their feet done. And I totally understand that. I'm so glad I reached out to one of my longtime clients and asked her why she stopped coming, instead of me just like gaining the attitude that she just straight stopped booking with me, because I would see she would post having her nails done on her Instagram and I'm like, wait a minute, she has been coming to me for 2 or 3 months and now she don't come. But she did let me know it was nothing personal, and you know, she just wanted to receive pedicures. So that is why I opted to change my policy, and I do pedicures now for my clients that come to me every 2 weeks. And I had to sit back and just like self-check myself. Like, to be honest, I wouldn't want to go to one salon and get my nails done. I didn't have to schedule at another salon to get my feet done. I believe if my clients are loyal to me, then I can tweak some things and, you know, help them out. I did start out with the shade We Belong Together by Igel Beauty. That's the yellow color. And here I dipped into the acrylic that I got from Aliexpress, the wholesale bag that I showed you guys in one of my previous videos. I decided not to use this shade for this look after I went in with this first bead, just because the acrylic is like very thin. So you guys know I am totally obsessed and I love NSI powder, so that's what I'm going in right here, my NSI peach powder, and she does me great every time. I just went in and did a little ombre look on this nail. So back to what I was saying. Whatever it is you need to do to make sure your clients are happy, I think you should do that. I don't mean bend your rules completely to the point where you're unhappy, but I think me switching over to do pedicures was an easy fix. I did gain back 2 of my clients by doing pedicures, and I also gained 3 more new clients now that I do pedicures. So I do have like a set amount of people that come to me to get their nails done, which I'm grateful for. Another thing is having great hospitality. I'm not always in a good mood, but when cordial, I do hold conversations that, you know, 2 adults sit and have while, you know, girl talk or chit chatter. I just feel like you should always be in a good mood, especially with someone that is spending their hard-earned money with you. That goes a long way. I can't tell you how many times before I used to do my own nails that I would go to the nail salon and get my nails done, and the person that was doing my nails was a little rude or cold shoulderish, or made me feel like I was rushed to get out of the chair and that it was all about my money. Always have great hospitality. People can get their nails done anywhere they want to, but they're choosing to spend an hour to 2 hours at a time with you to get their nails done and to give you their money. So that go a long way with people. A lot of women and men who get their nails done, they look at getting their nails done as relaxation time. So what I try to do is provide an experience. At the end of my nail service, I do give like my hand massages are included, and like I said, I'm always cordial and I always show that I am appreciative of them spending their money with me. I am going in with this beautiful yellow like iridescent glitter that I got from Aliexpress. If you have not checked out my huge Aliexpress glitter haul, I suggest you do. Like, these glitters were dirt cheap and you do get a whole lot, and they do come in handy when you want to have your nails look different or spunk them up some. Like, glitter for me is great, especially if a client wants something glistening but they can't afford the rhinestones or they don't want the rhinestones. But yeah, back to what I was saying, I do also always offer beverages. And the most important thing, if you don't take anything from what I'm saying today, is a clean station. My goodness, I can go on and on about how many dirty nail salons I've been to. Like when I sit down in a chair, I would always have to take a wet wipe out of my bag and like wipe the arm part of the chair down and the desk where I was getting my nails done. When people come to me, it smells good in here. The aura in the room is right. The bathroom that they're using smells good. They always have soap. Just being clean go a long way. You want your clients to come in and get an experience and leave out and feel good about that experience. I'm telling you, they will refer you. Word of mouth is how I basically get my clientele. Once in a while, I'll get someone find me on social media, Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me, I am nailed_by_shy on Instagram. Follow me over there. But yeah, once in a while, I'll get someone from social media, but it's always word of mouth. So yeah, here I'm just showing you guys the shade. Off camera, I did go in and cap the nails with clear, and I'm just going in with some sunflower stickers here, and you know, nothing major, just making Sheila look pretty. She gonna be showing out after this, I already know. So just putting the sunflower stickers on. These stickers are so cute. You can always enhance your looks by using stickers if you're not good at doing nail art. I highly suggest using stickers. I do have a 1K giveaway coming up. You guys did not leave comments on my last video, so I'm just going to keep rolling with the small giveaways every couple videos, just so that I can give a couple people some stuff, more than one person. Please be on the lookout. I do have a nail swap video coming up this month sometime. I can't say when, but I'm doing a nail swap and I'm so excited. It should be good. So yeah, that was just about it. Me and Sheila was up, and I, you know, had some stuff on my chest. If I can help you guys keep your clientele by just, you know, spreading what happened to me, then that makes me feel good. I have to go to the nail supply store, so I will be taking you guys along with me. I'm going to go probably to 2 nail supplies. One of them is one that I always go to, and then I think I want to frequent a new nail supply store, so I will record that and upload a video. I am going in with the Born Pretty top coat. I have been gravitating more towards this top coat rather than my D&D top coat. It's just a lot smoother. The application is not too thick and not too thin, so I did go in with this, and I actually did 2 coats. I put the first coat on and then I cured it, and then I went back and did a second coat. I don't know why, but when I'm doing a voiceover, I cannot talk. So yeah, I think these came out pretty cute. I do love when I do a glitter nail and then you add the top coat, and then you get to finally see the end result of that beautiful glitter underneath. You guys know I love long nails, so that's why I opted to do long nails. Especially long nails are just so much more fun. I don't know, but do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below your experiences with your clientele, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going in with some cuticle oil just because I can't have Sheila's cuticles out here all dry, so I want to make sure she look nice. I did give her a cute little heart ring to wear on her ring finger, so she not out here with her nails fabulous with no jewelry. So yeah, I will check you guys out in my next video. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.